What's the meaning of classified? Classified. Classified.
Classified. Classified. The term classified is used to describe information or documents that are deemed sensitive and are therefore subject to restrictions on their distribution and access. Such information is typically labeled with one of several levels of security clearance that reflect the degree of sensitivity involved. Access to classified information is typically limited to individuals who have the appropriate security clearance and a legitimate need to know the information for carrying out their job responsibilities. Breaching the protocols around classified information can have serious legal and national security consequences.